Welcome guys in this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create dormer in Revit. Okay, so I have this small building and now I'm going to create a dormer in here. Okay, so let's go to the roof, and the first time I'm going to create a wall in here. Select the wall and let's change the properties in here. I start from 0 and top constraint I want to select 1 meter and 80 centimeter. Okay, so let's create a one wall in here, one in here, so maybe 3 meter, and continue the wall. Okay, so let's change the wall face from here. Okay, let's see in 3D. Yeah, this is the wall. Again, let's go to the roof and create my roof for this. Select the roof. Let's give offset in here 20 centimeter, and let's start from here. Okay, and now I'm going to remove the slope for this side and this line. Okay, so let's finish. So let's say no. Let's again go to 3D, and this is the roof. From here you can change by typing the it's 1 at 80, apply. Okay, so let's go to front elevation, and you can change the slope by mouse from here, or you can type. Okay, so let's change by mouse. Okay, and now let's close this gap. So attach the wall to the roof, and let's select the wall. Okay, and then attach top base. Okay, and select the roof. Okay, now it's closed this gap. So now I'm going to create a window in here. So again go to the roof and then the window. So let's find a window from here. So let's choose this one. Maybe I think I put 2 window in here and 1 in here. Okay, let's see in 3D. Yeah, it's a look like this. Okay, so now I want to attach this roof to the other roof. So let's go to the modify and join the roof. Select this roof and to this one. Okay, so now it's attaching to these 2 roofs to each other, and now again I have a gap in here and I have to close this. Okay, so you can select the wall and then drag the wall like this. Okay, so and now we have to cut the wall in here because it's go inside. Okay, so I'm going to edit the wall like this. So let's select in here, and now trim and extend, and trim and extend. Okay, so let's make it little bit up, and then finish. Okay, for this side as well, first continue the wall to inside and then cut the wall. Okay, go to edit and then use a line like this. Again, trim and extend. Okay, and then finish. Okay, this is how to close the gap like this. As you can see, the first roof is still, I can see the roof inside this dormer. So now I'm going to cut the roof that I can see inside the dormer. Okay, it means I open the roof. Okay, go to architecture and then dormer opening in here, click this and then select the first roof in here that you want to cut, and then cut from where. Okay, let's select this wall and then select this wall and this one as well. Okay, so let's join this the line and this one as well. So for in here as well we need to join these two lines. So let's select pick roof. It's like this. Okay, and then trim and extend and trim and extend. Okay, and then finish. Let's see here. Good. This is how to open again and cut the roof, and now you can see the inside. Okay, this is how to create dormer and Revit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.